Hi guys, Ricky from LLF. Yeah.
It's been a long time, isn't it? Some things have happened. 240 is no longer here. So I'm at this bus stop right now. Did you guys know, that car parks had bus stops? Because I didn't. Nah, I'm only messing. 240 is just parked up here, obviously looking pretty like usual. I went distant for a bit just because what's it called? What did I disappear for? Oh, basically, winter came and it was hard to film. Like, you know, it'd be like 4 o'clock and it would be dark, so I didn't have the best equipment at the time. But yo, shout out Rob. Rob gave me this GoPro. Currently struggling to set it up because it doesn't want to connect to my phone, but got this GoPro. And yo, you look at the sunset. I get distracted very easily. Let me get back on topic, okay? But yeah, so got this GoPro. So hopefully content will be good, and it's a 360 one. I don't know how it works yet. I haven't actually got the stick thing, so I need to buy one of those, because right now you probably see my hand and it probably doesn't look right, because I've seen like some footage and it just doesn't look, it looks very weird. So we're gonna see how this video turns out. Let me just walk you around. I'm walking around the bus stop right now in a random car park. So let me walk you around the 240, because ever since you know, I went distant, I did a few mods. So let's start with the biggest one, and I actually recorded it, so I'll put it in. Let me show you the taillights first. So we got these OLED taillights. Yeah, they do this cool animation. You know what? I'll be right back. Let me go show you that part of, like, show you the installation of that right now. Guys, we're back in it. Look, there's Mr. Z. Mr. Z is about to do something to the rear of my car. What do you say, Mr. Z?
I swear this is a wide angle.
It's wide angle as well, so it's very weird, you know. Yeah. Look, this. He's vandalizing my wheel.
I'll tell you one thing. You ain't mentioning nothing about the draggy today.
I did. I said, you know, when I got out the car, I went, oh. So basically, this is the guy who lost my draggy. So draggy, can you sponsor me with a free draggy? Because I'm broke right now.
Trust me, man. You dropped it.
No, he lost it.
I didn't lose it.
Mr. Z lost it. I was quite sad. He broke my heart that day. Yeah, so Mr. Z fitted my taillights in it. They look sick. I'm gonna do a reveal in a bit. But he said he didn't like the shade of the taillight because it's what, too light? Yeah, it's too light for him. So he said, yo bro, let's go get them tinted. So now we're at the tint shop. Yeah, it's gonna be more unique. And not only are we getting the taillights now tinted, it's been what, a year and I haven't got the car tinted, so I'm getting the car tinted all around. So no more fishbowl, you know. So yeah, that was the installation. So shout out to Mr. Z, you know, he hooked me up, good deal for them taillights. So and they look the part. I mean, the animation is so dope. Let me see if I can trigger it. It's hard to get it right. Wait, hold on. Let's see if I can trigger it. Oh, it probably would help if the lights were off, innit? Yeah, hold on 1 second. But yeah, shout out to Z. He provided the taillights. Actually, wait, hold on. It's doing it. No, it's not doing it. Okay, hold on. I gotta go close the door again. This isn't working out as I planned, you know, but we do 1 takes. We don't do 10 takes. There's a learner over there watching me. I don't like being judged. Please don't judge me, learner. I'm not judging your driving. Yeah, man. That looks cool as fuck. I like that. So shout out to Z. Taillights look so sick. Probably like one of the best modifications so far in the car. We also done the rain light. So if you stay right here, I'll put you down. I'll be right back. One sec. So yeah, so got that rain light. What else did I do? Obviously, you know about the wheels, got bowler wheels on it. Got these rubbish tires, and you know when we got rubbish tires. And recently Mr. Z also installed M Performance side mirrors on my car, which have completely transformed it. I need to actually I didn't do a video on that, but it's on my TikTok, so the video of that will be on my TikTok. I might even include it in the video or do like a reel or something. What else has happened since we have ghosted? The V-bars. So as you can see, you got these orange V-bars. Trying to match the paintwork, didn't really happen, but they're reflective and in the night they look so dope. Like, I'll try to get some cinematics and whatnot, but they look so clean. I mean, that front end looks so nice. And my splitter did break off, if you noticed. So plans are we're gonna get hopefully Mr. Z to hook us up with another set. Other than that, oh nope, let me come to the interior. Oh, the door's locked. Hold on, should we go to the other side because I'm too lazy to get my key. Let's go to the other side. So me and my friends, spent a night doing ambient lighting. So here's the door. That door's gone a bit faded, but it's alright. Looks better in the dark. And starlights too. They look dope, color change and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's, you know, everything that's happened so far. It is very dirty, it needs a good clean. Performance wise, I installed a turbo inlet elbow. Shout out to Mabs, the videos on my TikTok. I might even include that as a reel. That's obviously there. Let's pop the bonnet actually. The bonnet is very dirty. I mean, sorry, the engine bay is very dirty, so don't judge me. So pop it. Obviously, as you know, we got the NVM source, intake, tune, downpipe, inlet elbow. Trying to think. So hopefully this year, come summer, gonna definitely do more performance mods. I've got an LSD planned for it. We're gonna go stage 3 hopefully, probably NVM 520R most likely, all that sort of stuff. So I'm looking forward to this summer. You know, summer's gonna be good. What else are we gonna do? All that's planned. Also, we were doing car reviews when we first started. I want to get back on it, so if you do have a car that you know thinks belongs on the channel, want to review or anything like that, message me on Instagram. My Instagram's right here. Message me on that and we'll get started on it, because I do want to start reviewing cars. You know, like obviously the channel's mostly about the 240 and the story of the 240 progression and whatnot. So I'm hoping to bring you that. We're gonna go on track days this year too. So much plan in the books, but yeah, 100%. Let me know what you guys, you know, if you have any cool cars or whatnot. Look at the smoke, man, that looks so beautiful. BMW designed this to perfection, and then Mabs topped it off, and then obviously Zagoro with his source and whatnot. But you know, we got drives coming up, everything. So if you guys are free, let me know, comment, whatever. Let's get it. This year we're coming back with a bang. This year is gonna be sick. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers in the next 3 months, and let's just kill the game and let's take over YouTube. That's the plan. Can't wait to get back into the scene. Car scene's been very dead, you know. Car scene's been very quiet, so it'll be good to bring it back to life. We're doing the first meet of the year. Everyone's parked up. Well, we started a bit earlier than usual. We're just scoping out the first location, but currently parked up. There's the 240, as you can see, probably behind me or in front of me, because I got the 360 camera now. But everyone's turning up slowly. Should be a good day. Gonna get some good footage, I'm hoping. But yeah, man, should be a good turnout. Back with a bang, baby. What's it been, like 3 months? Let's get this.
Era.
Just you want to say something? Say something to the camera. Sorry.
No
The
comment.
lighting now.
No comment.
No comment.
No
Oh,
comment.
he's getting a ring from his wife.
No comment.
Oh my God, how are you?
Man?
You okay? Mr. Saiful. Quick review on the car. Quick review on the car.
What
The big flame splitter.
It's just a 2 litre.
It's not no 2 litre, bro. If you know this 2 litre. Oh, look, it's Mr. Mia, the TikTok famous. The TikTok famous. Bro, my ears are gone.
Fuck all the haters. Hi guys, Ricky from LLF. What are you saying?
I'm with the famous
Yo,
one.
how wide is it though?
You get 360.
Swear down.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Yo,
We're gonna go train spotting today. So basically, you can record my reaction and the
And the
cars.
person in front. Mad, yeah. So right now we're looking at each other. I can do 50. Ooh, boy.
Big C6.
Where did park?
Yo, how does my hair look? How does my hair look?
Fresh.
Yo, are you gonna read it? Put this in the video.
You're my new cameraman, yeah? That's it. You hold on to that. Make the vlog special.
Wait.
Wait, walk with me, come on, man. Basically, right now.
Pagans.
We're next to Pagans. I just want to get my
Got Malik's 240,
yeah.
and we've got my BMW M2, and then we got Mr. C Cubs Edition 30, and then we got Sahil's tripod. This is really the crew, but you know, drag us down. Yo, Malik, how good is this camera in low light?
I don't know. We'll find out after this video.
Is it actually GoPro?
Imagine ambulance. And these like got shook.
Yeah, so if they block off that car park, we kind of fucked, because you know, then I'm gonna have to jack here, put my 4x4 wheels on, and then drive over. I don't really want to do that today. Like, this is Sahil, owner of a tripod. Any words to the famous Malik camera?
Oh. Peter kicked in, yo. That's all he said.
What did he say?
Peter kicked in, yo.
Hello, Big Lewis.
Oh, hello, bro. What are you saying?
This
You
is
got-
Malik's vlog, bro.
Fucking hell.
Say?
What are you saying? I'm
Yo, what's
alright,
this
you know?
Beamer gang and that?
Beamer gang, bro. I'm part of the Beamer gang. What are you saying? I'm fucking buzzing.
Yo,
Hey.
tell the haters something.
Fuck off.
Yeah, wankers. Right, we're in stack up GTR right now. Let me just check my hair, just in case. It's doing a bit of a madness. Malik! We're about to do a race! Why you put this window? Man's trying to hear the whoosh. Cousin's got the big spliff out. Just straight vibes. Cousin, Malik's vlog. Already got the big spliff in your mouth and now got it, fam. We're recording for 2 minutes 53 and no action is happening right now. So I don't know what to do. Mark 5 GTI stage 2 versus stage 180. 310 versus 280. Yeah. About 280. Ah, good race.
3, 2, 1, go!
from Bradford, lining it up now. Big up Bradford. Come here, line it. Let's go. Let's go. Straight. Malik's vlog.
10 miles an hour and then go.
I don't know what to say, man. Camera shy,
No,
bro.
I'm just gonna be recording, boys. 360 goes to Earth. What do you think I'm joking?
Pressing it. Is he pulling it or going in? Yeah.
I hope you guys did enjoy this welcome back video. If anything interesting happens, hopefully I'll include it. But we're gonna get back into weekly uploads, hopefully, if not every 2 weeks. Very busy. But yeah, man, it's grinding season. Hope you guys like the video, comment, subscribe. I just waffled for 5 minutes. I might cut some of it out, we'll see. But yeah, hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.